This is PiPL, and you can find it at PiPL.com, and it's a people search engine. It allows you to search for an identity and then find multiple places that that identity appears. So it's doing the hard work of tying together different sources for you. Now, a demonstration of this really works best when you can use a real person. So I'm going to use myself. I have a very public profile anyway, and all of this information is easily discoverable. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to begin by entering my email address. Let's see what it finds. Now what you're seeing flashing past you here is a whole bunch of different resources it's checking. Here's the result, and this does look like me. It's found my age, it's found some of my career history, some of the usernames I use, my location, and then some associations and presences on various other sites. Now a caveat I will add is that not everything you see here is 100% accurate. And of course, it doesn't really need to be anyway. It's just an aggregate of information which you as the social engineer, in your ethical hacking capacity, can then use to try and understand more about the target. Ultimately, this is algorithms trying to join up identities as best it possibly can. And it's simply not always going to get it right. But for me, it's done a pretty good job. It's found a lot of my online presences. And yes, they're in locations that you could just simply go and search yourself. But the aggregated nature of using PiPL and letting it do some of the legwork for you can be very useful. This is by no means the only site that does this. And in fact, there are quite a number of other ones out there, both free and commercial. But from the perspective of reconnaissance and OSINT, this is a really easy to use, quite useful tool. Now, as with the previous clips we've seen in this module, all of this is just about information gathering. So how can the social engineer collect enough info to then go and move to the next phase? Let's now move on and have a look at a few in-person social engineering techniques.